Hello everyone, friends. This is the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to transfer files from your PC to your iPhone. Go to Microsoft Store, type in iPhone Apple devices, download, install, and open it. There. Connect your iPhone with a cable and click Next. Now the installation begins. Let's wait. After that, the application opens. Click on the Start button and then connect your Apple device. It's connected now. Click Files, select the folder you need, let's say Chrome, and transfer the files you need here. There. Then on your iPhone, you'll be able to find this file in the same folder in Files. That's all for now. This was Weller. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.